Momentous day for Carl Wheezer kind. Carl. That should fit.
Carl's too fast.
Yeah. That should be good. 1/4 of a mile. You did it. What if we pulling up there? Yeah. The Carl. Do you think the person's gonna actually think when they just...
I don't know, they're just gonna reach in and... Well, most people will remember their...
No, it's fine.
They'll remember their poop bags at home.
Perfect. What do we... What if I just bury him?
Make it so he's half exposed.
Wait. Take this, ready?
Man, look how muscular my man's Carl is. Muscular. My man's Carl has a body.
That's Carl.
Carl Wheezer, everybody, behind the scenes.
He survived. Wait, there's license plates behind you. I have to blur that whole part out. Where do I put it? Perfect. Now what? I heard somebody. I heard something bang. Don't know what it was. Sorry, Carl. This must be done. You never know. Perfect. That's not gonna stay. Why'd you tell me to do that? I don't want to get the license plate. I'm gonna wait till they leave. Ah, there's another one. I don't want to get the license plate. Ah, there's the what the? There's another one. What the? Oh my God! I see another one. What the? Soccer practice must have just ended. You don't get to see it. 7. I have an idea. Here. Okay. This will get us. This isn't littering. We're wheezing.
We're wheezing.
We're wheezering. Those flowers smell really good. I'm not gonna lie. This place, it does a good job at keeping its flowers alive. I would know, because I'm a flower keeper. I keep flowers in my basement. Okay.
Because I am a tree keeper, and I keep for the trees. I mean, wait.
There. People can see that. Yeah, they see the wheezing face.
The wheezing.
It's like wheezing. Wheezing? Is wheezing the Pokemon, or is it coughing? I think it's wheezing. Is there a Pokemon named Wheezing? You like my hat? Come on. Welcome to our epic running down the hill vlog. Ready? Cross country man, are you ready? Say yes.
Which way?
This way. Wait, which way is the steepest? Well, our bikes are down there. Okay, ready?
Wait,
Set?
No, just stand up here and film me.
Well, I'll just leave my phone up here.
No, don't.
What if I what if I put it down at the bottom? Hold on. I have an idea. What if we put it like this? How good of a... It's not a good view. You should have told me. Jeez. Ow, that hurt. I just, like, stabbed myself. Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Oh, there's already a tissue in there. Carl. Hello, Wheezer. Are you having a party in there? Looking. Wow. I don't know how much you could see. Let's go back. Back to the bikes. Hey guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Did you like it?